Hello children, welcome back to the physical science class. Today we are going to mark the book exercises answer for one words in unit 15 light. Looking back, page number 170. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Name two luminous and two non-luminous objects. Answer: luminous objects. Example: sun, stars. Non-luminous objects. Example: pencil, book. Question 2. What are opaque materials? Answer is on page number 168. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque materials. Question 3. What are rays and beams? Answer is on page number 169. A single line of light is called a ray of light. A collection of rays is called beam of light. Question 4. What is the speed of light in SI units? Answer is in page number 170. In SI units, the speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Looking back, page number 175. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Shadows are formed because light travels in dash lines. Answer: straight. Question 2. A dark shadow will be cast by an dash object. Answer: opaque. Light casts dark shadows of opaque objects. Question 3. A dash eclipse occurs when the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Answer: lunar. Question 4. A pinhole camera forms an dash image of an object on the screen. Answer: inverted. A pinhole camera forms inverted images. All the details of an object are seen in the image. Question 5. A dash forms an image which is of the same size as the object. Answer: plane mirror. Exercises multiple choice questions. A. Choose the correct option. Question 1. Which of these are examples of luminous objects? 1. Sun. 2. Firefly. 3. Paper. 4. Wood. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 2 and 4. D. 1 and 4. Objects that give out their own light are known as luminous objects. Sun and firefly emit light of their own. Hence, option A 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Question 2. Which of these is not a source of light? A. Sun. B. Moon. C. Stars. D. Fire. Any object that emits light is called a source of light. Sun, stars and fire are examples for source of light. Moon is not a source of light. Answer option B, moon. Question 3. An object which allows light to pass through but does not allow us to see clearly through it is dash. A. Transparent. B. Opaque. C. Translucent. D. Solid. Answer option C. Translucent. Question 4. Which of these are examples of translucent objects? A. Mirror, glass, tap water. B. Eraser, paper, wood. C. Butter paper, oiled paper, frosted glass. D. Stone, frosted glass, tap water. Materials that allow only a part of the light to pass through them are called translucent materials. Materials like butter paper, oiled paper, and frosted glass allow some light to pass through them. We cannot see through them clearly. Answer option C, butter paper, oiled paper, frosted glass. Question 5. The light from a flashlight is an example of a beam that is dash. A. Parallel, B. Convergent, C. Divergent, D. Translucent. The light from a flashlight is spread out from a point, hence it is divergent. Answer option C, divergent. Question 6. What is the speed of light in SI units? A. 3 into 10 power 5 meter per second. B. 3 into 10 power 5 meter per second square. C. 3 into 10 power 5 kilometer per second. D. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Answer option D, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Question 7. Which of these is true for a shadow? 1. It is of the same color as the object. 2. It shows the outline of the object. 3. It depends on the position of the light source. 4. It shows all the details of the object. A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 2 and 4, D. 1 and 4. Shadow shows the outline of the object. Shadow depends on the position of the light source. Hence, option B, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Question 8. If an observer on the earth sees the moon completely covering the sun, he is seeing a dash. A. Total solar eclipse, B. Total lunar eclipse, C. Partial solar eclipse, D. Partial lunar eclipse. Answer option A, total solar eclipse. Question 9. Which of these is true for an image formed by a pinhole camera? 1. It is of the same size as the object. 2. It is of the same color as the object. 3. It cannot be formed without a screen. 4. It can be formed without light. A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 2 and 4, D. 1 and 4. The image formed by a pinhole camera is of the same color as the object. The image cannot be formed without a screen. Hence, option B, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Question 10. The image formed by a plane mirror dash. 1. Is the same size as the object. 2. Is the same color as the object. 3. Shows no details of the object. 4. Has all of the above properties. A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 2 and 4, D. 1 and 4. The image formed by a plane mirror is of the same size as the object and has the same color as the object. Hence, option A, 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Objective type questions, page number 177. B. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. A translucent object casts a dash shadow than an opaque object. Answer. Faint. Question 2. It takes light about dash minutes to travel from the sun to the earth. Answer. 8 1/4 minutes. Sunlight takes around 8 1/4 minutes to travel from the sun to the earth. Question 3. Shadows are produced when light is dashed by opaque objects. Answer. Blocked. Question 4. Dash are cast by the shadows cast by heavenly objects. Answer: eclipses. Eclipses are shadows formed in space. Question 5. A solar eclipse occurs when the dash comes between the sun and the dash. Answer: moon, earth. When the moon comes between the sun and the earth, a solar eclipse can occur. Question 6. A lunar eclipse occurs when the dash comes between the sun and the dash. Answer: earth, moon. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, a lunar eclipse can occur. Question 7. A solar eclipse occurs only on a dash moon day. Answer: new. Question 8. A lunar eclipse occurs only on a dash moon day. Answer: full. Question 9. When light falls on a plane mirror, the beam gets dash. Answer: reflected. A plane mirror reflects light when light falls on it. C. Say whether the statements are true or false. Question 1. Non-luminous borders reflect all the light that falls on them. Answer: true. Question 2. Transparent objects allow all the light that falls on them to pass through them. Answer: true. Question 3. Light takes several years to travel from the stars to us. Answer: true. Question 4. A solar eclipse can be seen directly without any protection. Answer: false. The correct statement is: a solar eclipse cannot be seen directly without any protection. We should not look at the sun without protection during a solar eclipse, as it can damage the eyes. We should use special dark glasses which are made for this purpose. It is also not safe to look at a solar eclipse through smoked glass, sunglasses, or X-ray films. One of the safest way to view a solar eclipse is using a pinhole camera. Question 5. A shadow of an object is always of the same size as the object. Answer: false. The correct statement is: an image of an object is always of the same size as the object. Question 6. The image formed by a plane mirror is always of the same size as the object. Answer: true. Question 7. The image formed by a pinhole camera is always of the same size as the object. Answer: false. The correct statement is: the image formed by a pinhole camera is not always of the same size as the object. Short answer questions. D. Answer in brief. Question 1. What is the source of light? Answer is in page number 168. Under heading Source of Light, first 3 lines. Any object that emits light is called a source of light. Example: the sun, the stars, and fireflies. Question 2. How do you see non-luminous objects? Answer is in page number 167. Under heading Luminous and Non-luminous objects, second para, first 4 lines. When light from an object, luminous or non-luminous, reaches the eye, the stimulus is passed on to the brain and we see the object. Question 3. How are shadows produced? Answer is in page number 170. Under the heading Shadows, fifth line. A shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. Question 4. State the position of the sun, moon, and earth during a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse. Under heading Solar Eclipse, first two lines. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the sun and the earth. And under the heading Lunar Eclipse, first three lines. A lunar eclipse occurs when the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Question 5. From which portion on the earth can a total solar eclipse be seen? Answer is in page number 172. Under heading Solar Eclipse, third and fourth point. Areas where the full shadow falls on the earth experience a total solar eclipse. That is, the sun will be totally covered by the moon when viewed from those areas of the earth. Question 6. What kind of image is formed by a pinhole camera? Answer is in page number 176. Fourth point. A pinhole camera forms inverted images. All the details of an object are seen in the image. Question 7. On what principle does the action of a pinhole camera depend? Answer is in page number 173. Under heading Formation of Images by a Pinhole Camera, second point. Pinhole camera working is based on the rectilinear propagation of light. Question 8. How does a change in the distance of the object from a pinhole camera affect the size of the image? Answer is in page number 173. Last para. If the distance between the camera and the object is reduced, the image will become larger. If the distance is increased, it will become smaller. Question 9. What happens when a ray of light falls on a plane mirror? Answer is in page number 174, third line. When a ray of light falls on a plane mirror, it changes the direction. Children, mark the book exercises answer in your textbook. Thank you.